Hello physics people, how are you? This is your instructor Sam Soni and welcome to this course of Physics Part 2, which is Physics 1047 or College Physics 2. I really welcome you all and sorry for the delay for the last one day. Somehow the course was copied from my shell to another shell. It did not populate inside, so you were not able to see any assignments and no due dates were there. So all these 24 hours, me and the instructional designer tried to fix it, and I think it is good to go. Okay, so if there is something wrong, you think that this date doesn't make sense, please let me know. Okay, my name is Sam Soni. My email address is sam.soni@nscc.ca, sam.soni@nscc.ca, and I'm happy to answer any questions you have. So once again, a warm welcome. This video, I'll try to give you a little introduction of the course and just walk you through what to expect in this course, right? So I will be looking here because this is where my screen is. But I'm looking at you. I have my eyes right on you. Okay, so you will see this is the course home, and I'm so happy to see how keen some of you are who already completed the discussion assignments and the assignment submission. Awesome, because you have done 1046, so yes, you are in a mode of just keep going with the online resources, and my apologies that you did not had all the resources earlier. But anyways, we are here, and if you click on the content section, you will see what we are going to cover. There is a course overview, bookmarks, that is something you can decide to put there, and course schedule. Okay, my first job would be to look at this section, course schedule. And in this section, course schedule, come on, load up, you will see all the things that are going to be due in the next 7 days or in the recent time. Okay, so a very important place to just start something with. Then my second favorite is this welcome section. In the welcome section, you will see there is course overview, in which you can just see what all will be covered in this course. So let me open the file. So it is a long blurb. I hope you will get some time to go through everything because yes, it is important. This is me, a little bit introduction about myself and what is inside this course overview. One important thing to highlight would be course description, as well as I'll skip this part for now. Some tips on how to get organized, which is very important in this course because the deadlines will be back to back. Every 2 or 3 days, one or the other thing is due. So yes, we need to stay a little faster because this is fast track course. So we are trying to cram everything within this 5 to 7 weeks. So how to stay organized? Just go through these tips that me and my colleague have put together for you all. And if you have any questions, this is where you can get the technical questions answered. But if you have any questions related to the course, physics, any concept that you're not able to learn, I will be happy to answer all the questions. You have to send me an email with your question, and I'll try to either create a video or share a video link which is already done via YouTube or any other channel so that the right answer gets to you. And this is what we call micro teach. In online platform, it is not possible to conduct a class and bring everybody in because everybody is studying at the different time. So how we do is we micro teach a small topic. Rest everything is at your own pace. You might have learned that in 1046 that yes, it is a self-paced and independent learning. So you will learn things on your own. But if there is anything which you find tricky, you know where to find me. And above everything, make sure you enjoy the course. Okay, so I'll go to the next page. I just click on this. You just saw that I click here and I move to the next page. There's like a little trick tip for you guys, because I use Brightspace a lot myself when I am learning, because I'm also taking courses at Dalhousie University for my doctorate of dental surgery. So I'm trying to be a dentist pretty soon, hopefully. And yeah, so I do take courses and I know a lot of small tips and tricks here, so I'll keep sharing via these videos. Make sure you go through the work plan and course outline. Just remember, portfolio. I know this is something that some students do not put enough emphasis on, but I am very, very critical about it, and I really love to read portfolio learnings and reflections. So I will be watching for those ones. Okay, so portfolios are 10%. Labs, there are 4 worth 3% each, and one of the lab is 4%. Small assignments, there will be 3, and each is 4%, so that makes 12%. Problem solving assignments, there are 5, 6% each, so that makes it 30%. There is one test. Good news, it's take-home test. It's not proctored anymore because of our beloved COVID virus, and that is worth 20%. Also, there is a major project worth 12%. Total makes it 100%. For some of the assignments, we because we could not do a test, and just to keep everything into the time frame, we kind of changed it into a quiz pattern. So some assignments or some labs, you will answer it in form of quiz. Okay, so it's an interactive way of learning. So I hope you would enjoy it. The second part would be the work plan. Okay, how are we going to do the scheduling for our next 7 weeks? So if I was you, if I'm a student, I'm taking this physics course, I would try to see, okay, in the biggest chunk would be electricity unit, and second biggest chunk is magnetism. Third biggest chunk is heat. Okay, and just remember that around the same time your major project will be due. So electricity, you will see these are 6 different assessments. Magnetism unit second is 3 assessments. Fluids, you will see there are 3 assessment and a reflection. Then heat, you will see a lab assignment, and you will also find major project around the same time, because you will have enough time to do the major project. That's why we put it there, not towards the end. I can give you extension of 1 day or something, but not more than that. That's why we want you to be finished on the major project. And finally, there will be waves and light, the very interesting unit that many students like. So this is how the course structure is. Okay, make sure you go through all the links about code of conduct if you are looking for anything. What are our policies, procedures, any appeals? Everything will be found in this section. So this was a little overview about the welcome section when you look at the contents of this course. Okay, now textbook. We are happy to say, and you might have seen it in the previous course already, that we give you, we use the open source textbook. So yeah, then the link is given right here. Okay, so if you click on this is an SCC edition of this open source textbook, and we will be dealing with these units. So for every unit, just take some time to read through it, and let me know if you have any questions around stuff. And there will be many interactive activities, so just don't try to cram everything at once, but try to see what assignment is coming after this, and what information are we trying to get from that assignment. I will read that section from the book and stuff around it, and that's how we can move forward. Okay, so once you are done with the textbook, I will encourage you to jump on your unit 1. Okay, so before I jump on to unit 1, one of the things that is due is this reflection portfolio part 1. This is a pre-assessment, or your way of thinking, what would you expect from this course. Okay, so this will be due within a few days, I guess. I'll check and come back. And also your introduction post. Okay, so when I'm on the introduction post, I would love to share how many of us are there. It's going to be a smaller group, but hello Rebecca, I welcome you to this course. Hi Gregor, I welcome you to this course. Hello Killen, I welcome you from math. I know you from math before, so welcome to this course. Hi Terry, and hi John. I welcome you all. I hope there would be more students joining in, but if not, then we will make an awesome physics learning gang. Okay, so going back to content section, and I will try to see in electricity, how would I go ahead? So first, there is a study guide. Please take your time to read through it. My friend Barbara, who actually teaches this course, she has put together a lot of amazing learning resources in that. Go to the resources section to see some different links and some different studies about the topic. Then there is first discussion question. Okay, then there is an assignment, a lab on circuits. I know one person already did that. I know we love circuits, right? Parallel, series, combination. If we don't, we will learn about it and it's going to be amazing. Like everyone loves circuit. I am always excited about it. If that's something you're not comfortable with or struggling, I'm the person to talk. Okay. Then there is another assignment on circuits, and there is a portfolio reflection followed by a test. This test was usually a proctored test, but this time it will be take home. Make sure you sit, your connection is okay, no battery is not going to run off, and only then you start the test. Okay. And lastly, there is a checklist to know if you are missing something. Okay, a lot of things I just summarized in few minutes. That does not mean it will take such few minutes, but I'm here if you have any question or any doubts. I'm happy to solve. So welcome once again to this course. Sorry once again for the delay in starting, but I'm so excited that we are all ready to learn this next part of physics and a lot about electricity, magnetism, heat, waves, light, and did I miss something? Fluid mechanics, best one. All right. You will keep getting this kind of videos from me in this announcement section. If you are using the Pulse app or Brightspace Pulse apps, then please make sure you have notification on so that if I post something, you can just look at it. I do not post very often. I will not bombard you with this kind of videos, but if there is something that I would like to share, I'll definitely do it. Okay? See you. Enjoy the course.